In today's video we'll write our Python program. I'd rather say our very own first Python program. Because this Python program is going to be in which we'll write every line with understanding. We'll have full understanding about our Python program. And we'll write this code from scratch. In upcoming videos we'll write quite mind-blowing Python programs from scratch. But this is going to be our first program. Hello, I am Yash. Welcome to the Frame. Let's drive and watch. So first of all we will open Replit from the browser. And today we're going to write our first Python program. But pal, we already had written our first Python program. In fact, we wrote a lot of programs. But this program is going to be one, which I'll write from scratch character by character and word by word. So there's another feeling writing this. So what you first have to do is, you have to write print. Now let me tell you what does print in Python means. Print is a function. Now what is function? Function is used to perform any task. Print is function. And to invoke any function we use parentheses, like this. As you can see I've opened a parenthesis after writing print. And then I can close it in this manner. And whatever I'll write in between will be printed. Let's suppose we'll write hello world. Maybe you're already familiar with hello world. Whenever someone write code in Python or any other programming language. So the very first program that we write is hello world. Now look, as I wrote print hello world, so a red line has appeared here. Now what's this, man? Invalid syntax. Now let's try to run this. Man. We started with an error. Yes. We started with an error. Because we'll rise when we'll fall. So look, I've written print hello world. And I got an error. Do you know why this occurred? In Python, when you use a print function, so you have to add a valid object. Hello world is not a valid object for Python. Python says I don't know what hello world is. Yes. If you enclose this in a double quote. So Python programming knows that you're now talking about a string. And hello world is a string. Let's try to run this, and we've written our first Python program. And we're able to see the hello world. Are you all eyes? We are able to see hello world. Give a big round of applause and write congratulations in comments for you and for me. This is the first program we wrote character by character. Great. And then I write print 5 here. So 5 will be printed. But do you know what we'll do? So far so good. And when I write print by, and then if I run this. So at first I will got hello world 5, then by. Can you see I first typed hello world. And then I typed print 5. So will I type everything one by one? No. There's no need for me to write them one by one. I can create a script. That's why I created this script, new.py. Script means our code will be executed line by line. If I've written hello world first, so it'll be printed first. And then print 5 will be executed. And as I'll write print by here. And then if I run it. So I'll first get hello world, then 5, and then by. So this script is executing code line by line. Then, when I will write print welcome, print to print Frame, then you can see that they execute by line by line. Now how print has been written, we don't need to go to its implementation. Now if you want to know for what else print is used. So look, Replit is displaying. As I hovered my cursor here, so it is asking for the values. It'll be an object. So, can we only perform a print function with the help of Python programming language? No, man. That's not the only thing. We can do a lot of other stuff. And this is the quality of this course, that it'll tell what will we do. Because we are just starting, and this is our first Python program. We are just understanding things, what are scripts. And when we execute a command line by line. And when we give any command to Python interpreter in REPL. This is called REPL when we write Python 3 here. Python 3, this is called REPL read, evaluate, print, loop. When I'll command it, 12 plus 43, so 55, will appear. But then I have to write something again and I'll get its output. I'll get the output as I keep on writing commands. Ideally we don't want to do this. Ideally we want Python to process the sequence of instruction. We want to tell Python to do anything we want. Execute this one first and then this one and then this one. And when I write print, 63 to 97. So, you can see that they print minus 34. And when I write print, 4448 by 467, wait a minute, by using multiplying you only use asterisk this sign but not at this x, so, you can see that they print 20772216. So this is how we will print everything. As you can see. And when, if I write print for 25, 32 here and then if I run this. So, we get 13.28125. And when, if I write print hello world here and then if I write 57, and then if I run this. So at first I'll get hello world. And then I'll got 57. And then I will write print hello world here and then if I write Python, and then if I run this. So at first I'll get hello world. And then I'll got Python. By using a comma between both of them. So, okay. Let's suppose I bought okra for 10 Indian rupees per kilogram. Or I bought 5 kilogram. Or let's suppose I bought it 17 Indian rupees per kilogram. And I bought 13 kilogram. So I'll tell Python that I bought okra for 17 Indian rupees per kilogram. And I bought 13 kilogram. So what's the total? And it'll tell you. So you can do operations like this in print function. For multiplication you've to use star, asterisk symbol, don't use x, even by mistake. And for divide you've to use slash, forward slash symbol. And plus, these are simple, give them a try. But look, the total is 221 Indian rupees and I've to give it to the seller. So Python can also do computations like this. In the upcoming videos we're going to learn some more things. Just be with me in this course. And I want to tell you for whom this course is not suitable. If you guys can't stay consistent daily. Or you want to do things in a shortcut manner. So this course is not for you. Because this course requires consistency. It demands you to practice things as you keep on watching the videos. And invest your precious time to complete this Python for beginners in Frame. You've to reach your goal. Mark your attendance in the comment section with I'm present. I'll keep my eyes on everyone. And if you want to learn this course in a short amount of time and without any practice, so this course is not for you. Because it takes so many time to develop this program by our Frame. There's no elevator for the success, you've to take the stairs. And these are those stairs. And you've to climb these stairs for this journey with me. And trust me, it'll be worth it at the end. I'll tell you those things from my years of experience, which took quite long for me to learn. And from the upcoming videos we'll start coding. We'll write a lot of codes over the next few videos. And in fact over the next a lot of videos. Because we are going to follow this challenge for coding journey by Frame Trust. That's it for today's video, guys. And if you haven't accessed the playlist, so make sure to access it, bookmark it and save it. Thank you for watching this video.